JMU Engineering xChange is a celebration. It's a celebration of the work and the commitment that our students, our staff, and our faculty have engaged in.
What we're doing is predicting and preventing frost for vineyards in Virginia. Bluestone Vineyards, the client that we have, 2 years ago lost over 70% of their yield to frost events. Our solution to that is to do a mesh of temperature sensors in order to predict localized temperature within a vineyard at the sort of microclimate level, so more accurate than what you get just by looking at a weather forecast.
The purpose of the Beaver Creek Restoration Project is to restore the channel stream bank and the in-stream habitat. We basically do this through something called a natural channel design that is developed by engineer and hydrologist Dave Rosjan. We did a lot of stream assessments like macroinvertebrate tests, pebble counts, and water chemistry, hydraulic tests. It was definitely a real-life project that's going to make great impacts on the community.
We hope to have this secondary impact in the community where we start seeing a lot more students interested in STEM-based disciplines.
What we have going on here is a bunch of interactive lessons for students. Students can become Iron Man's brain, press the buttons to send pseudo brain signals throughout his body. And then lesson 2 is a cell model. And as the kids press the button to drop the ions through a cell membrane, and you can crank a hand crank to move a pseudo muscle across what would be a bone. And then the final lesson is our arm that is a myoelectric prosthetic replica. It's taking electrical signals from the bicep and converting that into movement that you can see in the prosthetic arm.
Synthetic biology is a new and upcoming field. We worked throughout the semester with many different lab techniques to create these nanobodies and then had to move on to purifying them. After purifying the protein, it is important to be able to tell if it's there, and this is where we use the spectrophotometer. The overall goal of this project was not the nanobodies themselves, but rather the education that this can provide.
To me, the JMU Engineering xChange means pride. Pride in the work, the effort of our community, our students, our staff, faculty. Pride in all of the work that they have done. Just pride.